unboxing of what just arrived at my home this morning. It's from Anniston, Alabama. CMP. Okay, let's see what we have in this box. First time opening up. Ooh. Okay. We have the paperwork, certification of authenticity. Let's see here. Shipping checklist, okay. We have service grade. Muzzle reading 2+, throat reading 2+, service grade rifle. It's not a CMP replacement stock, but the stock on this looks fairly nice. It's got a clip in there. This rifle, armory. I'll have to look at the serial number to see what where this was produced. I don't see any hitting or rusting. Nice click. 48 rack number. There's a P. We'll have to take this apart and look at all the insides. For now, that is what came in the mail today.